instruction. We hope you've enjoyed your flight with us. On behalf of Air Cambodia, Captain Jan Tali, Passenger and crew members would like to say goodbye to you and wish you good time in Siem Reap. We look forward to meeting you again soon. Thank you. សូមជម្រាបជូនលោកលោកស្រីភ្ញៀវកិត្តិយសជាទីគោរពសូមលោកលោកស្រីមេត្តាអង្គុយរងចាំបន្តិចដើម្បីឲ្យគណៈប្រតិភូអញ្ជើញចាកចេញពីយន្តហោះមុនសូមអរគុណចំពោះកិច្ចសហការរបស់លោកស្រី Ladies and gentlemen, would you please wait a few minutes while the VIP delegation disembark the aircraft first? Thank you for your cooperation.